Top 5 motorcycles that don't fall over, the future of two-wheel stability. Ever wish your motorcycle could balance itself? No more tip-overs at stoplights, no embarrassing parking lot drops. Well, the future is already here. Today, we're looking at 5 insane motorcycles that won't fall over, no matter how you try. Stick around for number 1. It's something you'll really love. Number 5. Honda Riding Assist, the smart bike. Kicking things off, we have the Honda Riding Assist. This isn't your average bike. Honda engineered this beauty with self-balancing tech that keeps it upright at low speeds. No gyroscopes, no extra weight, just pure AI magic. Imagine pulling up to a stop and not putting your foot down. Number 4. BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100. BMW doesn't play around when it comes to innovation. The Motorrad Vision Next 100 is a self-balancing motorcycle designed to keep you upright no matter what. Number 3. Yamaha Motoroid, the AI motorcycle that moves by itself. Next up, we have something straight out of a sci-fi movie, the Yamaha Motoroid. This AI-powered motorcycle recognizes its rider and even moves toward them on command. It balances itself using futuristic sensors, making it nearly impossible to drop. This is literally Iron Man tech for bikers. Number 2. Lit Motors C1, the two-wheeler. Motorcycle or a car? What if I told you there's a two-wheeled vehicle that's safer than a car? Meet the Lit Motors C-1, a self-balancing, fully enclosed electric motorcycle. It uses high-tech gyroscopes to stay upright, even if someone tries to knock it over. Imagine zipping through traffic without worrying about tipping over. And number 1. Harley-Davidson Euro bike. The classic gets a high-tech upgrade. And finally, yes, Harley-Davidson is getting in on the action. They recently patented a gyroscope-powered balancing system that keeps their heavy cruisers steady at slow speeds. No more dropping your bagger at a red light or at home. Harley fans, are you excited for this? Which one? Old school or futuristic? Drop a comment below. So, which one blew your mind the most? Would you ride a self-balancing motorcycle, or do you prefer the old school way? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you love motorcycles, hit that like button, subscribe to MotorTreadlands, and turn on notifications so you never miss a ride. Ride safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.